Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 2018 Nissan Qashqai. This is a 1.2 petrol SV model, finished in a blue metallic paint. It's got a low annual road tax of €270. It's taxed up until the end of July. It's NC'd up until January 2024. It's got a full stamp service history and it's sold a 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front fog lights as standard. It's got the 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with excellent tyres all around. It's got nice clean bodywork. It's got the rear tinted privacy glass. It's got the roof rails. It's got the rear parking sensors. It's got a nice spacious boot with fold down seats. Plenty of legroom in the back. It's got the Isofix for the car seats on both sides. It's got the centre armrest and cup holders. It's finished in navy and grey cloth interior. It's got the front armrest. It's got the Skyview Roof with the retractable curtain. Fold-in wing mirrors. It's got the electric windows. It's got the multifunctional steering wheel with built-in phone, radio and cruise control functions. Touchscreen radio with built-in satellite navigation. It's got the reversing camera also. It's got the air conditioning with the dual climate control. Automatic handbrake with the hill start assist. Manual 6-speed gearbox. USB and aux port, and there's just 44,444 kilometres on the clock. This Nissan Qashqai would make an ideal sized family car, and here at McNally Motors we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. So give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car and book a test drive. Thanks very much.